That second gear there. So this one, I don't know if you can see that, but let's see if I can get you to see that. You can see the teeth are quite rounded and there's a lot of wear on the synchro band, so they're both going to be replaced. So we're going to use, I wish I'd clean that up first, but anyway.
Well, there are opportunities there. Masako leads his kick. It's going to be 30. They might have given minutes. It was 24-0 Broncos. Here we are. In the second half. And the Dolphins have a chance to level it up and go to your piece. Masako is one of the best in the business. This time shouldn't be beyond him at all. He's midway, goal line and left touch, and 18 metres out to level battle.
So my process here is to disassemble and then clean everything before I pull it all apart. I'll just try and get that, so that's, so you can see all the wear on the bottom half. That's the part that's been engaging with the slider.
This is only the third time though it's been over 50,000 in the 8 instalments of battle of reformers under reduced capacity of the gather, as mentioned. Around the grounds in the sec, let's see if they catch the kickoff yet. Cobo did losing his 15 from his own line. NRLW full time have been registered. The Warriors have beaten the Knights. Warriors 22, Knights 14. The Bulldogs now Centerfield Donahue gets to the left, through Nicolina to the hands of the hammer, left end to Farnworth, he runs in, field gets taken, then back from the left end, 22 metres out, looking runs into dummy, half the pass blind, and Nicolina, he passes to Cobb, holding skill, but he's too close to the touchline, the pass was behind him, he's slammed over the line by Anderson's tackle, and put over the whitewash. That's repeating, NRLW full-time, Warriors 22, Knights 14, Queensland Cup games have gone to full-time as well. Sunshine Coast has beaten Mackay. Falcons 36, Colours 12. Central Queensland, Norths. Campers 44, Devils 18. In the AFL, Sydney... Okay, again we go to Chris Butler in the bunker. I reckon he got there. Yeah, I did too. He got there late, Butler, didn't he? The man kept saying to the touch judge, how could you not see that? Yeah, the referee gets there late, Zane. He comes right. Freaking talking to Todd Smith, the referee. Well, that's what they're looking at. Broncos will get a penalty and no further. With 22 minutes left in the game, it's 30-2.
So that is the synchro band for first gear, and lots and lots of wear. Hopefully you can sort of make that out on screen, but yeah. The Broncos were up on the bench saying, appeal that. So, yeah, Herbie's definitely being felt out there by the Broncos. G'day to Brownie, the concreter on the Sunshine Coast. Says, hi guys, having a fantastic call. Hi to my labourer, JJ. Good on you, Brownie. 0467 920 222 as Reece Walsh sets up for the penalty goal. Wasn't the most perfect of the point for the left foot strike of Reece Walsh, but he gets the penalty